Warfare is changing. New technologies are emerging, changing the way battles are fought. Drones are one such technology, and they are having a profound impact on the battlefield. Drones are unmanned aerial vehicles that can be controlled remotely. They can be equipped with a variety of sensors and weapons, making them versatile and daily tools. Drones have already been used to great effect in conflicts around the world. In Ukraine, for example, both sides have used drones extensively for reconnaissance, targeting, and even direct attacks. The use of drones has given smaller forces a way to strike back against larger, more powerful enemies. The rise of drones has led to a new era of warfare. This new era is characterized by increased speed, precision, and lethality. Drones can strike targets with pinpoint accuracy, minimizing collateral damage. They can also be used to gather intelligence and conduct surveillance without putting human lives at risk. The proliferation of drone technology has also led to a decrease in the cost of warfare. Drones are relatively inexpensive to produce and operate, making them an attractive option for militaries around the world. This has led to a democratization of warfare, as smaller countries and even non-state actors can now acquire and use drones. China is one of the countries at the forefront of drone development and deployment. The Chinese military has been quick to recognize the potential of drones and has invested heavily in their development. China now has one of the largest and most sophisticated drone fleets in the world. The Chinese military is using drones for a variety of purposes, including reconnaissance, surveillance, targeting, and even electronic warfare. Chinese drones have been spotted in the East China Sea and the South China Sea, where they are being used to monitor the activities of other countries. China is also training its troops to use drones in combat. The Chinese military has established special drone units that are tasked with operating and maintaining drones. These units are equipped with the latest drone technology and are trained to use drones in a variety of combat scenarios. The Chinese military's focus on drone warfare is a reflection of the changing nature of warfare. Drones are becoming increasingly important in modern warfare, and China is determined to be a leader in this field. China's investment in drones is likely to have a significant impact on the future of warfare. One of the most significant developments in drone technology in recent years has been the advent of first-person view, FPV drones. FPV drones are drones that are piloted from the perspective of the drone itself. The pilot wears a headset that displays a live video feed from the drone's camera, giving them the sensation of flying the drone themselves. FPV drones offer a number of advantages over traditional drones. First, they allow for much greater precision and control. The pilot can see exactly what the drone sees, making it easier to navigate tight spaces and avoid obstacles. Second, FPV drones are much more immersive and engaging to fly. The pilot feels like they are actually in the cockpit of the drone, which can make flying more enjoyable and exciting. FPV drones are quickly becoming popular among hobbyists and professionals alike. They are used for a variety of purposes, including racing, photography, videography, and even search and rescue. The military is also taking notice of FPV drones and is beginning to experiment with their use in combat. The use of FPV drones in warfare has the potential to revolutionize the way battles are fought. FPV drones could be used for a variety of missions, including reconnaissance, targeting, and even direct attacks. Their small size and maneuverability make them ideal for urban warfare, where they could be used to scout ahead of troops and engage enemy combatants in close quarters. The Chinese military is one of the first to embrace the use of FPV drones in combat. Chinese troops are being trained to use FPV drones for a variety of missions, including reconnaissance, surveillance, and targeting. Moreover, the Chinese military is also developing new tactics and strategies for using FPV drones in combat. This focus on FPV drones is a sign of things to come. As drone technology continues to advance, we can expect to see more and more militaries around the world adopt FPV drones. The use of FPV drones in warfare is likely to have a profound impact on the future of warfare. The training of Chinese troops in FPV drone operation is rigorous and comprehensive. Soldiers undergo extensive simulations, honing their skills in navigating complex environments, identifying targets, and executing precise maneuvers. The training emphasizes tactical awareness, drone control, and the ability to operate effectively in a team environment. The integration of FPV technology into military training represents a significant shift in modern warfare. It underscores the growing importance of unmanned systems and the need for soldiers to adapt to a rapidly changing technological landscape. The skills acquired through FPV drone training will be invaluable in future conflicts, where drones are expected to play an increasingly prominent role. The rise of drones is not limited to China. Countries around the world are investing in drone technology and developing their own drone capabilities. The United States, Russia, Israel, and Iran are just a few of the countries that are actively developing and deploying drones. The proliferation of drones has led to a global arms race. Countries are competing to develop the most advanced drone technology and are eager to deploy drones in combat. The use of drones has become a major factor in international relations and is likely to shape the future of warfare. The global impact of drone technology extends beyond military applications. Drones are being used for a wide range of civilian purposes, including agriculture, infrastructure inspection, search and rescue, and package delivery. The commercial drone industry is booming, and drones are becoming increasingly integrated into our daily lives. The widespread adoption of drone technology has both positive and negative implications. On the one hand, drones have the potential to improve efficiency, reduce costs, and enhance safety in various sectors. On the other hand, the proliferation of drones raises concerns about privacy, security, and the potential for misuse. The future of warfare is likely to be shaped by the continued development and proliferation of drone technology. Drones are becoming increasingly sophisticated and are being equipped with a wider range of sensors and weapons. The use of drones is likely to become even more prevalent in future conflicts. The development of artificial intelligence, or AI, is likely to have a major impact on drone warfare. AI-powered drones will be able to operate autonomously, making decisions and taking actions without human intervention. This will give drones a significant advantage over human-piloted aircraft, as they will be able to react faster and make more complex decisions. The future of warfare may also see the development of swarms of drones. Swarms of drones are groups of drones that can operate together in a coordinated manner. This would allow for a much greater concentration of firepower and would make it very difficult for an enemy to defend against. The development of drone technology is rapidly changing the face of warfare. The future of warfare is likely to be dominated by drones, and the countries that are able to master this technology will have a significant advantage over their rivals. The world is entering a new era of warfare, an era in which drones will play a central role.